Good morning, welcome back. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and I'm going to prepare tea, the first energy drink I have in the mornings. I'll be showing you how to make masala tea. Masala means mix of spices. Spices includes green cardamoms, cloves, fennel, cinnamon, peppercorn, etc. etc. It is said that masala tea keeps you warm during monsoon and cool winters, but for me, it's a everyday morning tea. This is cinnamon. I use a piece of cinnamon stick. Next is clove. Then couple of peppercorns, black pepper. Let it boil. Then add 2 cardamoms. Next is to add few pieces of ginger, fresh ginger piece. Once it comes to a boil, add the desired amount of tea leaves. Add required amount of milk to the tea and let it boil. Once after boil, strain it. Separate the tea leaves and the other things. Enjoy the tea. I have added here cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, clove, and a piece of ginger. Masala can either be crushed and put it in the water, or as a powder can be made and stocked and use it as and when required. I generally add the whole spices to the water. Thanks for watching my preparation of morning tea. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care and bye.